Having a good plan for your week ahead also allows you to say no to certain people asking you to do certain things which you know you shouldn't do. And this is very important because when you have a plan, you have a justification why you're saying no. And not having a plan, the tendency is to say yes. And the more we say yes, less time we will spend on doing things and accomplishing tasks that we really should accomplish. We need to know our priorities, and our priorities are ours. And we need to focus first on our priorities before we end up spending time on other people's priorities. This is crucial, and this is one of the most important aspects of planning your week ahead, so that you know the most important person in your life is you, exactly you. And that's why you need to plan ahead even with that in mind. You need to plan ahead by thinking for yourself first. And don't be afraid to say no. But when you say no, you need to justify it, and usually you will find that justification in your plans.